Hey guys, in this video I'll be walking you through 7 hacks to save money at Costco. Whether you're a frequent shopper or a first-time visitor, these tips will help you make the most of your Costco experience and stretch your dollars further. From saving money on the membership card, taking advantage of bulk discounts, using Costco's in-house brands, and watching for sales, these hacks will help you save big on your next Costco trip. So without further ado, let's dive in and discover how to save money at Costco. Before you even enter the store, the first hack is to save on the cost of the annual membership card. In order to shop at a Costco, you must first purchase a membership card, or you can also visit the store in the company of someone that does. In New Zealand, there are 2 memberships available, a regular Gold Star card for everybody, which has an annual fee of $60, and a business card with an annual fee of $55. Costco allows 2 people from a single household to sign up under a single membership. So if you have family members or you live in a flat, you might be able to score a card for free or by co-paying for a discount. Another way to save here is by pulling together with others to co-pay for a card. When the card holder goes into the store, they can simply make a bulk purchase on your behalf. Another way again to save on this fee is by visiting the store with a card holder. As I mentioned before, card holders can bring in 2 guests with them at a time. The only restriction here is that the card holder must also be the one paying at the counter. And the final way to save on the fee is to get a card holder to buy you a Costco shop card, which is essentially a gift card for use within Costco. By holding one of these cards, you are able to enter the store and shop, even if you do not have a Costco membership card. So as you can see, there are many ways to save on the annual membership. The second hack, again before you enter the store, is to make use of Costco's fuel station, which has some of the lowest prices around. Here in Auckland, the fuel station is located right next door to the main warehouse, with a whopping 27 pumps. Using the app Gaspy, at the time of filming, you can see the price of 91 fuel is the second cheapest in Auckland, and for diesel, it is the cheapest. Nearer to the city, you'd be paying at least 20 cents more per litre, meaning if you fill a 50-litre tank, you'd save at least $10 on each visit. Moving along to the third hack, the food court. Costco's food court offers a variety of affordable and delicious options, including pizza, hot dogs, and sundaes. Not only is it a great place to grab a quick bite while you're shopping, but it's also a great way to save money on lunch or dinner. The prices here are very reasonable and the food is often of a high quality, so it's definitely worth checking out. Another little tip is to visit the food court before you shop. Not only will this reduce the temptation to spend more on food within Costco, but if there is a long queue, you can place your order and simply come back around. Just keep tabs on how quickly they're running through the numbers so you don't miss your order. Now let's get into the tips within the store. The fourth hack is to buy products that are from Costco's private label, Kirkland Signature. These products are often just as good as the branded alternative, but at a fraction of the cost, and in some cases, will even come from the same producer. By choosing these options, you can save money without sacrificing quality. The fifth hack is to, of course, buy in bulk. Costco has made its name in this area, and buying in bulk allows the customer to benefit from the lower per unit cost. I've covered many of these in my previous videos comparing the prices between Costco and Pak'nSave. As an example, the per unit cost of Anchor UHT milk was $2.17 at Costco, but $2.69 at Pak'nSave. So buying in bulk at Costco versus other retailers is often cheaper. But even within Costco, you also have the option for some items to buy in even greater bulk sets. The sixth hack is to learn the deeper meaning behind what the prices mean. This is a sneaky one, as Costco has a hidden language to speak to its most prolific shoppers. They don't always show a strike-through price to indicate a sale, but instead communicate through the decimal places on the price tag. If a price ends with 99, say like $9.99, this is a normal retail price, so it is unlikely to have a discount applied. Any other decimal place ending in 9, such as 29, 39, 49, etc., could indicate Costco got a special deal from its supplier. This isn't always the case, but in the US it often results in prices being slightly lower than you'd find elsewhere. Prices ending in 88 and 00 are said to be manager markdowns. This means the manager wants the product gone. Often it may have been a floor model or it may have been returned. And finally, we have prices ending in 97, which indicates it's definitely a sale price and you'll likely be getting a deal. Sometimes you'll also see an asterisk on the sales tag, indicating the store is purchasing no further stock and may have a discounted price to clear the way for new items. That brings us to our seventh hack, which is to be strategic when you go to the store. As Costco is closed for public holidays, visiting right afterwards may mean that some of the items go on clearance, as the store will need to move the product to make way for the fresh stuff. In the US, this is common, and it is also the case when seasons change to clear summer or winter clothing, or even outdoor gear. After a festive holiday, such as Halloween or Christmas, Costco may also put unsold festive items on clearance to make way for new displays. So there you have it, 7 hacks to save money at Costco. In addition to the 7, you can also save money by filling your prescriptions, choosing new glasses or contact lenses, or buying hearing aids, all at discounted prices. Also make sure to check your emails for special promotions from Costco. You'll have given them your email address on sign up, so if you haven't been receiving these, it may be in your spam folders. Also, do remember that Costco has a very generous refund policy, so if you're worried about buying something at a low price and it going bad, you can take comfort in this. As all your purchases are linked to your membership card, even if you have lost the receipt, the staff should be able to help you confirm this in their systems. Here on this channel, I post a lot of content around personal finance and investing. If you'd like to see more of my content in the space, or videos like the one you're watching right now, please make sure to subscribe down below to see all my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Cheers.